Welcome. If you're tired of hearing notification sounds every time someone joins your Discord server, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable the user join notification sound on Discord web, right from your PC, using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up Discord in your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Just head to the Discord website and log into your account. Once you're inside Discord, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. It's your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. It should be on the left sidebar, just a few options down. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification settings available to you. Scroll down a bit until you see the Sounds section. Here, Discord lists all the different sounds it can play for various events, like messages, calls, and user activity. Find the option labeled User Join. This is the sound that plays whenever someone joins your voice channel. To turn off this sound, simply toggle the switch next to User Join. Once you do that, Discord will stop playing the notification sound every time someone enters your channel. No more interruptions, no more unexpected noises, just peace and quiet while you chat or game. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the user join notification sound on Discord web. These steps are quick and easy, and you can always come back and re-enable the sound if you change your mind later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter Discord experience.